Hi, Omar from Episode here. In this video I'm going to speak about Cortime optimization variables and design checker. By dragging any editable resources from the optimization resources window into the optimization variables window, we transform it into a Cortime variable. Here we can see the value that represents the current value of the variable, and we can modify it inside Cortime. Minimum and maximum. Minimum and maximum represent the ranges through which the algorithm is going to travel and how big its steps are going to be. If we click in the right arrow, we display a new menu under the window. The first button, Show Step Size, will give us more information about the variable. We'll give step size, number of steps that it's going to take, and the step anchor that represents the starting point. If we select one of the variables and turn it into continuous, we see that the values disappear. That is because in continuous range, it can take any value inside the range. If we select another one and we turn it into integer range, we see that the step size turns into 1. Now we have a last button here called Design Checker. Design Checker is a very useful tool to check if the design will rebuild at every point of our range. If we run it, we see 2 green slots and 2 red slots. Green means it will rebuild, red means it cannot rebuild. Now we have 2 different variables here, extrusion and cut. They are facing each other. That means we extrude in one direction and we cut in the opposite. So if we click in the first slot, it shows us that it chooses the first 0 values and it can rebuild. Click in the second slot, we see that it's extruding 25 millimeters and cutting 0. It can rebuild, no problem. Third slot, we see that there is a problem here. Cut extrude does not work. Why? Because we're extruding 0 millimeters but trying to cut 25 out of that, and that's obviously not possible. If we check the fourth one, we see that we're extruding 25 millimeters and cutting 25 millimeters. So we're eliminating the whole figure. Even though it doesn't represent it in SolidWorks, we see here that Cut Extrude is failing. This has been everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.